Today we are having two recipes in one video. That is the steamed shrimp without a steamer and the stir-fried shrimp recipe. So please stay connected and let's dive into the video. I have clean shrimps here. I usually cut from the back so that I remove the vein easily and wash them. So the shrimps are so clean. I begin by stir-frying the shrimps in an empty pan. I mean a pan without oil. I add some salt and stir fry until the color changes. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. Kindly subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming back. Cover and cook on medium low. After a few minutes, some water is going to form. Continue cooking until the water disappears. So this is what we call steamed shrimps without a steamer. You can serve this. I usually serve this with white rice and some soup. And this is where our first recipe ends. So for the second recipe, we add some butter, chopped garlic, and stir fry until the garlic smells. I usually add some seasoning to add on the flavor. I add coriander powder and paprika. Stir fry for 2 minutes and serve. So the second recipe is also done. Just peel your shrimps and eat. Shrimps are so delicious and so juicy. You can enjoy them with any sauce of your choice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Be blessed. Bye bye.